Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to simply transform a video in DaVinci Resolve. You know how in Photoshop you can grab the edges, transform it, and like we could stick a photo on where the starting scene TV is on this image I have on here. Well, we're going to do that to a video in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get to it. So what you want to do first, in our case, we are going to actually just drag and drop a video from our other channel that we were working on. We did the video. We have another channel. Feel free to check it out. Link in the description below. We don't want that part of the video. We want like maybe some random part, like right here. Okay. That will be the part we do, right? The random part here. Yeah. It doesn't matter what part. I don't know why I'm being so specific about that. Okay, so we have the video. Now, what we will want to do, it's actually very simple, actually. We go into Open Effects, and all we have to do is search for Transform, okay? And then just drag Transform here. Okay, we aren't done yet though. We could transform it this way and whatnot, but the best way to do what we are talking about is go over to pins there. And after we hit pins, we actually have to come down here and hit Open FX Overlay, okay? And then after we do that, we can then proceed to click on the edges here. So it knows that these are edges that we want to manipulate, okay? And then after we got the edges, we can literally just drag them where we need. Like when I drag this edge here, but then we're going to drag this edge here, and finally we're going to drag this edge here. And you know, we'd keep pulling around with it till we found exactly how we'd want it. And then after we're done, we can tap this to see how it looks without the thing. As you can see, we did not get it directly right, so we're going to keep going a little bit. And then, of course, you can always just make it a bit bigger so you can actually see more of what you're doing. So we can actually know that we gotta pull this down a bit more and over a bit more. And then we gotta pull this up a bit more. And then we should, in theory, be good to go. We put this back down to fit, and then we would turn this off and test it. And then, as you can see, we have the game playing on the TV, okay? So that's how you do that, plain simple, to the point. You can, it goes without saying that you can actually do this with any video. You can also do it with any image as well, technically, for that matter. So just about anything you can import into Photoshop, you can do this. Your results may vary if you actually played around with like the zoom and stuff, beforehand to definitely keep that in mind. And yeah, hopefully this helped you in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.